Hi, this is Ashley. I'm going to be doing Angel of Music from the Phantom of the Opera. Um, the part of Meg is going to be done by Channy1EE, um, and she has a very nice voice, so you'll definitely enjoy that. So I'm just going to start it here. Feel free to leave any comments. Father once spoke of an angel. I used to dream he'd appear. Now as I sing I can sense him, and I know he's here. Here in this room he calls me softly, somewhere inside, hiding. Somehow I know he's always with me, he the unseen Jesus. Angel of music, guide and guardian, unto me your glory. Angel of music, hide no longer, secret and strange angel is with me even now, all around me. It frightens me.